August 24, 2024, Cathie Wood AI Briefing. Key points *. 1. Cathie Wood's flagship fund, the ARK Innovation ETF (ARKK), has fallen approximately 18% year-to-date and has lost 75% of its market value since its peak in 2021. However, Wood continues to increase her investments in tech stocks, despite the downturn. 2. Investors have withdrawn around $2.2 billion from ARK funds this year, marking the worst year for ARK since 2014. Nevertheless, Wood remains committed to innovation investments and hopes that the upcoming interest rate cuts will benefit the stock market. 3. Wood stated that the current market is undergoing a purification phase, indicating that changes are happening. She believes that as companies weaken in a high-interest rate environment and lay off workers to cut costs, this could prompt the Federal Reserve to begin lowering interest rates. 4. Wood is particularly focused on semiconductor company TSMC, a leader in AI chip manufacturing, which dominates advanced processes like 2 nanometers and 3 nanometers chips, supplying tech giants such as Apple and Qualcomm. Analysts believe its valuation is undervalued, but its long-term outlook is positive. Summary *. Despite significant setbacks for Cathie Wood's funds, she remains steadfast in her belief in innovation investments and is optimistic about the favorable impact of future interest rate cuts on the stock market. TSMC, as a leader in AI chip manufacturing, is favored by Wood and deserves attention for its future development. August 24, 2024, Briefing, Demis Hassabis, and the Development of AI. Demis Hassabis is a leading British AI figure and entrepreneur, the founder and CEO of Google-owned DeepMind. This briefing summarizes Hassabis' significant contributions and views in the field of artificial intelligence. 1. The development and challenges of AI *, from chatbots that can pass the Turing test to true artificial general intelligence, AGI, with planning, memory, and tool use capabilities, there is still a long way to go. The key lies in overcoming the limitations of current passive systems to achieve proactive problem-solving abilities. 2. The role of games in AI development *. Hassabis has a background in board games, which inspired his entry into AI. Games provide clear objectives and feedback, making them ideal platforms for testing and improving AI algorithms. 3. The application prospects of AI * beyond applications in the physical world, such as autonomous driving. Hassabis is particularly optimistic about applying AI to scientific research, such as breakthroughs in protein folding. He also warns of the risks AI may pose and calls for global prioritization of mitigating AI extinction risks. 4. Open source and intellectual property * Hassabis believes that open source is key to scientific progress, but as we approach AGI, balancing openness with access restrictions to prevent misuse is a challenge that needs to be addressed. Overall, Hassabis is an outstanding representative in the AI field, deeply contemplating the development history, challenges, and application prospects of AI, contributing unique insights for its future development. August 24, 2024, NVIDIA AI Briefing. NVIDIA is set to announce its second quarter earnings this Wednesday, amid fluctuating investor sentiment in the AI industry. CEO Jensen Huang's net worth has reached $113 billion, and he will provide an update on the company's performance during this critical time. Although NVIDIA briefly became the world's most valuable company in June, it and its clients have since been affected by investor concerns regarding the gap between AI industry hype and reality. Meanwhile, NVIDIA is actively advancing the development of its next-generation Blackwell AI GPU. The company has successfully run the Blackwell AI GPU in its data centers and will share more details about the Blackwell architecture at next week's Hot Chips conference. The Blackwell AI GPU utilizes TSMC's 4NP process, integrating 20.8 billion transistors, with 192 GB of HBM3E memory and 8 TB per second memory bandwidth, as well as 1.8 TB per second bidirectional NVLink bandwidth. NVIDIA will also share how generative AI technology can accelerate the chip design process. Overall, NVIDIA is at a critical juncture, facing investor concerns about the AI industry while advancing the development of its Blackwell AI GPU. The company's performance in the upcoming quarters will be closely watched. Briefing: Facebook AI and Spotify team up to complain about EU privacy regulations hindering innovation. Main content summary *. 1. Meta, Facebook, and Spotify have jointly voiced concerns that EU privacy regulations are hindering the development of open-source AI. Meta pointed out that due to the lack of relevant regulations, it cannot use public data to train AI models on Facebook and Instagram, meaning European users miss out on the latest AI products. Spotify also stated that open-source AI is crucial for enhancing its personalized recommendation services. 2. Both companies believe that EU regulations not only obstruct the development of AI technology, but also impact the ecosystem for developers and creators in Europe. They are calling for the EU to establish a more streamlined AI regulatory framework to accelerate the application of open-source AI technologies. 3. Nevertheless, Meta and Spotify have not criticized the EU's regulations themselves in the face of Apple's App Store monopoly. Instead, they have criticized Apple's new rules for developers as overly stringent. This indicates that both companies are not entirely against regulation, but hope for regulations that are more favorable to their interests. Overall, this briefing highlights Meta and Spotify's appeals regarding AI development and application while reflecting the dual attitude of these tech giants towards regulation. Google AI's new features spark controversy. Google recently launched the Pixel 9 series phones, which include some new AI features that have garnered widespread attention and discussion. 1. Add Me feature *. This feature allows users to digitally insert themselves into others' family photos to avoid being left out. However, during actual testing, the final results often resemble poorly executed Photoshop work due to differences in lighting and other factors. Some users found that this feature is better suited for creating doppelganger photos. 2. Pixel Studio Image Generation Tool *. This AI-based tool can generate various images based on text prompts, including some disturbing content, such as a Nazi version of SpongeBob and Elmo holding an AK-47. Google claims to have safety checks in place, but during testing, it was still able to generate images involving violence, drugs, and other inappropriate content. 3. Reimagine Tool *. This tool can add various items to existing photos, achieving very realistic effects that make it difficult to distinguish between original and edited images. This raises concerns about the authenticity of images on social media. Overall, while these new AI features are indeed interesting in some aspects, they also raise concerning issues, such as the potential misuse for creating inappropriate content. Google has stated it will continue to improve safety measures, but balancing innovation with risk control remains a challenge that requires careful handling in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Meta AI Briefing. 1. Meta has launched new web crawler bots to collect data for training AI models and improving products. These bots include Meta External Agent and Meta External Fetcher, which can bypass robots.txt rules, making it harder for website owners to block content scraping. 2. Meta is massively expanding its AI infrastructure, establishing 2 clusters of 24,000 GPUs, one using ROS networking and the other using InfiniBand networking. This aims to enhance the performance and reliability of training large language models, LLMs, while maintaining open computing and open-source principles. 3. Meta plans to expand its GPU count to 350,000 NVIDIA H100s by the end of 2024, with a total computing power equivalent to nearly 600,000 hours 100 seconds. This reflects Meta's commitment and ambition towards AI technology development. 4. As the scale of AI models continues to grow, their substantial energy consumption and carbon footprint have raised widespread concern. Experts suggest that companies can opt for more energy-efficient GPU hardware to meet AI demands while also considering environmental responsibilities. Overall, Meta is significantly expanding its AI infrastructure and data collection capabilities to support the development of cutting-edge AI applications such as voice translation and natural language processing. However, this also raises discussions about privacy protection and environmental impact, necessitating a balance between technological innovation and social responsibility. Briefing: Current status of Meta's AR development. 1. Meta abandons high-end Quest Pro project *. Meta initially planned to launch a high-end mixed reality headset, codenamed La Jolla, to compete with Apple's Vision Pro, scheduled for release in 2027. However, due to cost control challenges, Meta ultimately decided to cancel the project and focus on the more affordable Quest 3 and Quest 4 product lines. 2. Meta focuses on cost control and software licensing *. Meta's VR division, Reality Labs, has been suffering significant losses, with a single quarter loss of $4.5 billion in Q2 2023. To control costs, Meta is considering licensing its XR software platform, Horizon OS, to third-party hardware manufacturers, such as the Indian tech giant Jio. 3. Future product planning *. Meta plans to launch Quest 4 in 2026 and unveil a new generation of AR glasses at the Connect conference on September 25. However, Meta may reconsider launching high-end VR/AR headsets in the future, but will wait for market demand to mature further. Overall, Meta is adjusting its AR/VR business strategy, shifting from pursuing high-end hardware to focusing on cost control and software licensing, while continuing to release more affordable Quest series products. This reflects Meta's cautious and pragmatic approach in this emerging market. August 24, 2024 briefing: Meta and Snapchat set to launch next-generation AR glasses. According to The Verge, Meta and Snapchat are set to unveil their new AR glasses products next month. Both companies have been conducting research and development in this area for several years. Snapchat will launch its 5th-generation Spectacles AR glasses at its annual Partner Summit on September 17. Following that, Meta will showcase its self-developed AR glasses, codenamed Orion, at its annual Connect conference on September 25. Snapchat's Spectacles series has evolved to its 4th generation, with true AR capabilities only introduced in 2021. The 5th-generation product will further enhance AR applications. Meanwhile, since launching the 1st-generation Ray-Ban smart glasses in 2021, Meta has been continuously improving, but has yet to incorporate AR features such as displays and sensors. While both companies are moving towards a future where AR glasses become mainstream, the products debuting next month are not yet ready for commercial production. They are more experimental versions aimed at developers, with consumer versions requiring further technological breakthroughs and optimizations. Currently, even top AR devices like Magic Leap 2 resemble bulky goggles, indicating that true glasses like AR devices are still a long way off. As Meta and Snapchat pursue immersive AR experiences, they also need to address the challenge of compressing large hardware into glasses form factor. Mark Zuckerberg's wife, Priscilla Chan. Briefing *. Mark Zuckerberg is the founder of Facebook, and his wife, Priscilla Chan, is also an accomplished woman. Priscilla Chan was born on February 24, 1985, and is currently 39 years old. She was once a pediatrician but later shifted her focus to philanthropy. In 2015, she and her husband co-founded the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative, dedicated to improving health, education, and scientific research. In 2016, they established the CZI BioHub to support researchers from various universities. Additionally, Ms. Chan founded the Primary School, providing educational and prenatal care in California. She currently serves as the co-CEO of the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative and is a board member of the Just Trust. Mark Zuckerberg and Priscilla Chan's relationship began when they met at a social event at Harvard University in 2003. They quickly established a relationship, cohabited in 2010, and married in 2012. They have 3 daughters, Max, August, and Aurelia. Despite their success in both career and life, they maintain a deep bond and are committed to improving the world together. Briefing: X platform AI assistant Grok sparks privacy controversy. Main points *. 1. Actress Jenna Ortega has publicly expressed her negative experiences with AI and social media, having faced inappropriate content and harassment, ultimately choosing to delete her X platform account. 2. The X platform, formerly Twitter, allows its AI assistant Grok to use publicly posted data from users for training by default, raising privacy concerns among users. Users can opt to disable this feature to prevent Grok from using their data. 3. As tech companies increasingly utilize user data to train AI, users' privacy rights are being infringed upon. While this practice is technically legal, it remains controversial from ethical and moral standpoints. 4. Users can further protect their privacy by setting their accounts to private and deleting conversation histories with Grok. However, this also means they will lose opportunities to be seen and heard on social platforms. Overall, the development of AI technology presents new challenges to user privacy, necessitating a collaborative effort between platforms and users to seek a balance between technological innovation and privacy protection. Briefing: Elon Musk's Grok 2 AI chatbot. The latest Grok 2 AI model from xAI is gradually being rolled out to premium users on the X platform, formerly Twitter. Unlike other large language models, Grok 2 is trained on billions of tweets and has real-time access to data from the X platform, giving it a unique advantage that could reshape user interactions on the platform. 6 highlights of Grok 2 compared to ChatGPT*. 1. Real-time search capability ** can instantly access the latest tweets and trending topics on the X platform. 2. Unfiltered image generation ** can generate realistic images of real people, including celebrities and political figures, even including sensitive or controversial content. 3. Dual interaction modes ** in addition to the regular mode, there is a fun mode that provides a more entertaining conversational experience. 4. Citing tweet sources * when summarizing news or providing information, it can reference specific tweets, enhancing credibility. 5. Seamless integration with X platform * features a dedicated tab, allowing users to use it without switching applications. 6. Humorous entertainment features * can mock X platform accounts, showcasing a more entertaining side. Despite these innovative features, industry insiders believe ChatGPT still holds an advantage in most general scenarios. However, for specific applications leveraging Grok 2's unique functionalities, it may indeed be a game-changer. Briefing: Sam Altman's WorldCoin project faces global regulatory challenges. 1. Overview of WorldCoin project *. WorldCoin is a global identity and financial network project co-founded by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, utilizing a proof-of-personhood mechanism that employs iris scans to confirm each user's unique digital identity and rewards them with WorldCoin cryptocurrency. 2. Regulatory challenges *. WorldCoin faces regulatory investigations and restrictions in multiple countries and regions. Countries like Colombia, Argentina, and Kenya have raised concerns about WorldCoin's data collection and privacy protection, potentially imposing economic sanctions or suspending/permanently shutting down its operations. The EU has also initiated an investigation into WorldCoin's practices. Additionally, WorldCoin has been shut down in Hong Kong and accused of large-scale scanning of children in Spain. 3. Company response *. WorldCoin claims its technology emphasizes privacy protection, stating that iris images are deleted immediately after scanning, retaining only encrypted identity codes that contain no personal information. However, regulatory agencies remain concerned about its data management and algorithm training practices. 4. Summary *. Although Sam Altman's WorldCoin project is ambitious, it faces stringent regulatory scrutiny in multiple countries and regions, needing to further prove the effectiveness of its privacy protection measures to gain the trust of regulators and the public. Briefing: OpenAI chief scientist Ilya Sutskever's departure controversy. 1. Ilya Sutskever is one of the co-founders of OpenAI, having established the AI company with Sam Altman in 2015. 2. In November 2022, Sutskever, as a member of the OpenAI board, participated in the decision to remove CEO Altman. However, he later expressed deep regret for participating in this board action and stated he would do everything possible to reunite the company. 3. In July 2023, Sutskever announced his departure from OpenAI, with the chief scientist, regarded as one of the greatest minds of our generation, focusing on some personally meaningful endeavors. 4. During his tenure, Sutskever publicly stated that current large neural networks might possess faint consciousness, a remark that faced widespread criticism. He was also reported to have engaged in some unusual behavior within the company, such as burning dolls. 5. Sutskever's departure marks the end of a tumultuous chapter in OpenAI's history. Altman stated in a statement that while this is very regrettable, he will always be grateful for Sutskever's contributions to the company. Overall, Sutskever played a significant role at OpenAI, but his eventual choice to leave seems to stem from complex internal conflicts and differences. The future development of this prominent figure in the AI field is worth watching. Briefing: OpenAI partners with Condé Nast Group. August 24, 2024. Main content ***. 1. OpenAI has partnered with the globally renowned publishing group Condé Nast, allowing ChatGPT and its search engine SearchGPT to showcase content from well-known magazines such as Vogue, The New Yorker, and GQ. This is the latest collaboration agreement between OpenAI and major media companies. 2. Media companies' content is sought after by tech companies for training their AI models. However, some media companies, such as the New York Times and the Chicago Tribune, have taken legal action to protect their content. 3. OpenAI and Condé Nast have not disclosed the specific financial terms of the partnership. OpenAI stated it would work with Condé Nast and other news publishers to ensure that AI maintains accuracy, completeness, and respect for quality reporting in news discovery and dissemination. 4. The business model of news media has been impacted by social media and other digital platforms. Condé Nast CEO Roger Lynch stated that the partnership with OpenAI will help offset some revenue losses, enabling them to continue protecting and investing in news reporting and creative work. 5. AI chatbot technology is seen as a key component of future internet search engines. Google is also working to integrate AI-driven tools into its products. Overall, this marks another significant collaboration between OpenAI and major media companies, reflecting the application of AI technology in the production and dissemination of news content. Both parties hope to gain more benefits through cooperation while protecting content quality and copyrights. August 24, 2024 Briefing: DeepMind achieves new progress in healthcare. Main content ***. 1. DeepMind employees have written to Google, urging it to abandon contracts with military organizations. Employees are concerned that DeepMind's AI technology could be used for military purposes, such as surveillance and target selection for bombings. 2. DeepMind announced a partnership with the Drugs for Neglected Diseases Initiative, D&D, to utilize its AlphaFold AI system to research Chagas disease and leishmaniasis, two severe parasitic diseases. These diseases primarily affect developing countries, but lack effective treatments. 3. DeepMind stated that AlphaFold can accurately predict protein structures in a short time, which is crucial for developing new drugs. The company hopes this technology can help fill knowledge gaps regarding these neglected diseases, accelerate scientific research, and develop new effective treatments. 4. Experts believe that DeepMind's AI technology has enormous potential in predicting unknown protein structures, bringing hope for drug development for these neglected diseases. However, other factors, such as data scarcity, also need to be considered. 5. DeepMind announced it would publish peer-reviewed papers and make the AlphaFold system freely available to the scientific community to promote broader application. This will help enhance the technology's impact in the healthcare field. Overall, DeepMind is leveraging its advanced AI technology to address some serious neglected diseases, reflecting the company's commitment to healthcare. However, it has also raised employee concerns about military applications, necessitating further clarification on the ethical boundaries of its technology use.